Oops, it's already broken, but my kitty wants to break it harder. Hello friends, I bought this phone at a good price and now I'm going to show you the restoration process. I tried to negotiate as much as I could, because with cracked phones you don't know what to expect, you might end up losing time and money. After a short test, I noticed that everything is fine and I can get to work. The disassembly procedure is identical for all iPhones. It starts with unscrewing the bottom screws. As soon as they are removed, proceed to ungluing the screen from the frame. This strong adhesive is anti-dust and waterproof. I'm going to unscrew the bracket that holds the screen. In this case, it is about 5 screws that are easily loosened, and follow the removal of the screen. It will be repaired by having the glass changed, because it is fully functional. Now that the screen is free, I can go further to disassemble some important parts, to make it easier to remove the back cover. From the lower section, I will disassemble the main speaker and the vibration module. They are fixed with screws and are easy to remove. Now I have free access to remove the battery. This is glued well and has the role of strengthening the entire chassis. After the battery is removed and stored well, I have access to the internals from the upper part of the phone, that can be disassembled. These are as follows: the Face ID module, the main camera, and the motherboard. The main board is attached in 3 places with screws, and, after they are removed, it came off freely. It is also very important to remove the SIM tray. Now that all the important parts are removed from the case, I can move on to removing the cracked back cover. This operation is quite difficult and time-consuming, but it is much cheaper than buying a new case. Because the original glue is very strong, a temperature of approximately 250 degrees must be constantly applied in order to peel off the glass. After the cracked glass parts have been successfully removed, I prepare the new glass to be glued. This step is simple and pleasant, because from this moment the phone starts to take its new shape. I apply the mounting adhesive on the entire surface and glue the back glass to the case. For now, everything looks very good and I will wait a few minutes for the glue to harden. After I mounted the back cover and all the internals back in place, now it's time to attach the battery and the screen. The battery is new and comes with the mounting adhesive included. It is put in its place and pressed a little to stick well. The screen had the glass changed, and it is the last piece that needs to be attached to the phone. After this time-consuming process, it was time to admire how beautiful everything turned out. The phone looks like a new one, and the fact that it also has a changed battery extends its life by at least 2 years. I turned this broken phone into a new one with minimal costs. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.